So Kinze Manufacturing has been in business for about 60 years. We have two facilities, one in Iowa in the United States and one in Vilnius, Lithuania. We primarily produce planters, which you can see behind me, to my right and to my left in the back, as well as tillage equipment and grain carts. So it really depends on the configuration of the machine, of course, but we're known for our durability, our quality, and the capability of performing in extreme no-till conditions, as well as our high technology machines. The two machines behind me, however, are on the classic side, meaning they're configured with ground contact drive. So the machines here are a 12-row, and then we have a 16-row. We have machines up to 24-row, so it very much depends on the needs of the farm. And capacities also depend on, of course, the product itself and the needs of the operation. But in this case, we have 1,500 liters of dry fertilizer here and individual row hoppers that support 66 liters of seed, and the same with the 66 liters of seed over here. So this is actually my first time at the Bata Agro exhibition, although it's certainly not the first time that Interagri has represented us here. Our partnership with Interagri is quite strong. They've been a good dealer for us for many years, especially within this 12 and 66 row category, which is really what the Bulgarian market needs. So it's been really great so far to get to interact more with the dealer, as well as hopefully speak to some more farmers today, learn about the needs of their operations and how we can better serve them in the future.
Interagri. Успяваме заедно.